They say this isn't 4C. Struggling with your 4C hair? Don't worry, I got you. Thickness, body, length. The possibilities are endless, and they never wanted you to know. But I'll help you reach your full potential, and they'll deal with it. I welcome you to episode 3 of the 4C Glow Up. I used to get so uncomfortable when I received compliments. I felt guilty, but now I soak them up. And it's time for you to enter your 4C baddie era. I've been here for a little bit, and let me tell you, it's everything. So you want long hair and you want thick hair, then you need to deep condition, because if you don't do that, your hair is not going to be able to have any elasticity and it's just going to break off. So what I like to use is a conditioner of choice. I'm using the Garnier Fructis Whole Blends in olive oil, and I'm adding some aloe vera and a mixture of olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil. And I like to mix that all up, and I literally love to coat my hair in it, like completely saturate it. And a lot of people may say that's too much product, but the more product you use, the more slip and the less breakage you get in the shower. And for those of you who don't want to make a mixture, honey, don't worry, I got you. I swear by this Argan and Aloe Deep Conditioner by Herbal Essences. When I'm in the shower, I romanticize and visualize myself with my dream hair, and I highly recommend that you do the same thing if you want to see faster results. I promise it works. So my henna video has about 1.6 million views, and a lot of you keep asking what henna I use. I use the rainbow henna in black, and I get it from Whole Foods. As you can see in this video here, you can also get it off of Amazon. If you want to order it, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. So you want to be a 4C baddie. Don't worry, it is completely attainable, and I'm going to tell you all the tips and tricks so that you can get your hair longer and thicker faster. So one of the things that a lot of people seem to forget about is the fact that you really need to make sure that you're getting a sufficient amount of protein. You can use the best products in the world, do all the protective styling that you want, but if you're not getting an adequate amount of protein, your hair is not going to grow to its fullest potential, and the rate of your hair growth is going to slow down significantly. So take it from me when I tell you that I always make sure that I get at least 60 grams of protein a day. I do not play around, honey. And side note, I absolutely love the shampoo and conditioner. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, because let's be real, I love the color green, obviously, but oh my god, the slip and the moisture, like, I love it. And look at the definition, honey, get with it, I'm telling you. Absolutely not. This is my hair when it's only 50% dry, and here's a length comparison, and here's my hair in these cute little bantu knots that I always do when I'm blow drying my hair. I know, you guys want the blow drying tutorial. I promise you it's coming, because I know you all want to see how I get my hair blown out like this and how I maintain my length. I just want that video to be perfect. I'm such a perfectionist. How do you see yourself? Through the eyes of others and how they decide to paint you? Or do you create your own narrative? When I went natural, I decided that I was going to create my own beauty standards for myself. I decided that my happiness was going to come from me freeing myself of the expectations and beauty standards that society had put upon me. And do you want to know the irony of it all? I never had to relax my hair. I never had to try to make my hair look like anybody else's. And it's so unfortunate that society led me to go through those stages. When I went natural, I didn't go natural because I thought it would attract people to me. I did it because it was just something that I wanted to do for myself. But as my hair got longer, but most especially as my hair got thicker, I was pretty shocked at the amount of attention that I received, as well as the adoration. Humans are naturally attracted to thick hair. Imagine destroying your fake 4C hair, not realizing that you're destroying a prize. Alright, so if you watch my videos frequently, you know that I like to go home a lot, and I like to pick up some Starbucks before I head to the airport. There's literally nothing more calming to me than just hopping on the plane and knowing that I'm going back to my hometown, and I'm gonna go do some hair treatments while I'm there. Okay, this is what you came for, isn't it? And let me tell you, you're gonna wanna watch this entire video, because this treatment is either gonna be something that you really, really wanna do, or maybe something that you might want to stay away from, and I'm going to tell you a very honest review. So the first thing that you're going to need is hibiscus powder, and if you want to know exactly where I purchased mine, I'll leave the link in my bio. I have coconut oil, castor oil, conditioner, rosehip oil, and a mixture of my favorite hair growth oils. I like to make sure that I add all the oils to the conditioner first before adding the hibiscus powder, so that I can make sure the oils are thoroughly mixed within the conditioner. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some hibiscus powder, and I don't really measure, I just kind of add a good amount until I see fit. And here's the fun part. Oh, what is my life right now? Hold on. And I'm going to leave that in there because this is real life. So anyways, I like to go outside in my backyard because I'm not going to stain my parents' furniture. And my mom saw that video with the henna and she was like, you were on my white couch with that henna in your hair? Anyway, so after I've applied everything to my hair, I let it sit for about 30 minutes and then it's time to get it all out. And you guys know that I love to dip my hair in a large bowl of water instead of standing in the shower for long periods of time, because when you just dip your head in the water, it just gets the product out so much faster. Now, let me tell you all something that I was not prepared for. Hibiscus is a great hair growth treatment, but it's an even better hair softening treatment. This will soften your hair so much. And here's the thing, if you don't want your hair to be super soft, you definitely should avoid this treatment because the softness lasts for a very long time. The amazing thing is it doesn't change your curl pattern and it just gives you amazing definition and thickness. I mean, look at how soft and thick my hair looks here. And I try to give you guys a quick little link check update while I show you a quick little snippet of my flat ironing routine, but I couldn't get it to all fit in frame when I pulled it down. But yeah. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my previous video, the 4C Glow Up episode 2. The link to that will be in the description box below. And if you're not already, make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Bye!